Hi. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rena Carson and today we're gonna be talking about the Nike Dunk High SP Pure Platinum. I'm like so glad I bought these. I feel like Cinderella when I'm wearing them. Like a snack lately, but I've been eating a lot of chocolate. My favorite chocolate right now is Ferrero Rocher. They're so yummy. You guys know I have a thing for like gold packaging. This is like kind of like that luxurious snack or candy that you never ate when you were younger because it's like kind of expensive. It's a delightful waste of money. In the middle, there's a hazelnut, Nutella, waffle casing dipped in chocolate, rolled in peanuts. This thing has a lot of layers. Look at that. I love these so much that I finished a whole container and now I want a second one. I'm addicted to sugar. Okay, but let's talk about shoes. Aren't they nice? Don't you like them? Let's talk dunk history. I'm going to prepare you. One of the most popular shoes to come out in 1985 along with the Jordan 1. 1985 is like such a long time ago, but not as popular for obvious reasons. The shoe was a college-centric basketball shoe, so it was aimed to help support college teams and their fans. Also, let me know if any of my history is like off or wrong, or if you want to add anything in the comments down below. Like, I'm more than happy to learn as much as I can about sneakers. When I made the purchase, it wasn't all about hype. It was just more about, let me enjoy a piece of sneaker history. I actually found them on eBay for $141. Don't tell anybody. I don't have the box to show you. I threw it away and I'm sorry, that's kind of cringy. I never keep the box. There is absolutely no reason I should have these shoes. I'm not dunking on no one. I don't need these shoes. Yes, they were totally intended for college basketball players. Of course, like every shoe, it was taken into totally different subcultures and has come in and out of history for a while until last year, for some reason, they just popped up and became super popular. On a piece of history. Let's talk about some details though. Since this is a very thick leather shoe, the perforated toe box really helps for airflow. The quality of the laces aren't amazing. They're okay, but I really like the tongue at the top with the Nike logo. The ankle support on these shoes is phenomenal. You can see how thick it is right here. I love how subtle the gray swoosh is compared to the rest of the shoe. It's like as a pair, they're just like a very vintage retro pair of sneakers that you could like run around in all day. So I wore these shoes over the weekend and the creasing isn't too bad. Look how clean this shoe is. It's ridiculous. Like, what? The dirt just falls off of this thing. So I got a 6.5 in men's. I'm actually an 8 in women's, and this is a good size if you need a little more room for comfort reasons. I'm probably gonna size down the next time I buy another pair just because I like a more snug fit on my foot. Definitely a piece of history that I would recommend anybody add to their collection or just buy in general. It's a very comfortable shoe. I could walk for days. Let me know in the comments down below if you bought a pair of Dunk Highs or if you're planning on purchasing some. There's a bunch of colors coming out this year, so I hope that you've considered to at least buy them. The pricing really isn't that bad. Follow me on Instagram at Rena Carson. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys next time.